Creating a circle in AutoCAD is by using the command line, or you can go to the ribbon and click circle. And once you hover it, it will give you a short instruction on how to create a circle. So there are two ways. It's either you click on this and it will activate the command line, and you can start creating circle by clicking on this and click the first point, and you can create a circle. So we are going to use the command line. Press C to activate the circle command. You can add it here or you can add on the command line. Press enter and it will activate the circle command. Once it's activated, the command line will give you a specification of a center point of circle. So I'm going to create this center point, or I can specify the 3 points and 2 points of the circle. By default, if I'm going to click this, I can create a customized circle with a radius. I can enter the radius value. Let's say I'm going to enter 100. Then it will create a circle with a radius of 100. And we have this circle. Also, if you create a circle, we are going to try the 3 point. But first, I'm going to create, let's say we are going to create 3 points. I'm going to create a line for, I'm going to create first a triangle. So, in order to illustrate the 3 point of the circle. So in order to use the 3 point, press letter C, and I will click on the 3 point, or type 3P, enter. And we are going to specify the circle first point, and we are going to specify this one and the other one. So that's the 3 point circle. Is you base on the, it's like it will ask you the width and the length. The 2 point is, we have a rectangle. I'm going to create a rectangle first. So I'm going to create a circle. So circle, letter C, and you can click the 2 point here, or press 2P to enter, 2P, enter. I'm going to select this first point and the second point. So you can do that. If you want to specify, or you have another drawing that you want to add a circle on this, say for this, you have a triangle that you want to add a circle. So you can use the 2 point circle and the 3 point. Also, if you create a circle, press letter C. ESC is always to you. You can use to cancel the command. Press letter C to activate the command and press enter. You can create a circle, first point. That by default, it will ask you the radius value, but you can change it into diameter by pressing letter D and press enter, and it will ask you the diameter value. Let's say 100. So that's the circle with a diameter of 100. So we covered the circle here, circle command, the use of circle command, by the use of 3 point, which allows you to specify a 3 point, first point, second point, and third point. And also the 2 point, which specify the first point and the second point, and a customized circle with the radius and with the diameter here. So I hope this video tutorial helps you, and if you have some clarification regarding this, you can comment below so I can assist you. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.